How to find your archive on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your archive in Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile. Now click on those three lines and click on the second choice, which is archive. Now click on stories archive and choose between stories archive, post archive, and live archive. Choose what do you want to see. For example, post archive, but I don't have any posts or lives or stories in this account. And this is it. This is how you find your archived on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.